So this is PPF, so it's paint protection film. You put it on your vehicles to protect the front of your vehicle or protect your vehicle against rock chips, abrasions, scratches, stuff like that. So this is our software program for DAP, for Expel. They have most patterns for everything. This is a 25 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Today we're gonna cut a bumper kit for it. So I'll grab the 36-inch roll, put it on there. As you can see, we have different rolls, different sizes. So once you have the roller set up, the machine will measure the size of roll that you're gonna use. So it is cutting out everything on that screen that you see there. It's cutting it out on here, and then we're gonna weed out the parts that it's cutting around. So the solutions we use is isopropyl and water, and then we have soap and water. This is our slip solution, and this is our tack solution.
So we're just using glass cleaner here to pick up any loose dirt or dust or any contamination that would lay down on this hood.
We soaped it all, but you can see there's a lot of dry spots. So now we pull it back up and we wet it down 100%. Then we basically stretch it into place. This is what they call glassing. So you glass it out so no fingers are showing, no wrinkles.
So then we always pull out our big air pockets in our valleys. And a lot of times we like to tackle big body lines first.
And as he's doing right there, that's something we push a lot, is to, once you get done with a little area, wipe it down, look it over, make sure it's good before you move on, right? He's doing something we call edging. So it gets it edged and locked to the edge so it doesn't pop back. So you can cut kits like this and then they'll be pre-wrapped to where you don't have to have this extra. For us, it works better to just do bulk install for the most part. Bulk install is basically right out of the box, you pull it right off the roll.
Basically create your own pattern.
Yeah, so then this is what we'll kind of do. We'll get rid of the excess once we're in that spot. So now we're just doing a trim to get it close, and then we can edge it a little bit easier versus having a lot. So then we just release it from the edges, and then we'll pop the hood. So now this helps with doing the final edging. So we'll just trim this back to about 3/8 of an inch, roughly, and then he'll follow behind me and do relief cuts on the corners so we can wrap it around. Here, when you're all done, got it all ready to wrap. Now we'll dry it out. You take lintless cloths. Everything we do has to be lintless. And then we can lift it up, let it dry. That's pretty much it.
That's the bulk of it, yeah. See what I did there?
Pun intended.
It's quite a process, but once it's all done, it's nice to look at your work and say that, you know, you're protecting a customer's vehicle that they spent money to invest in. So always protect your investment.
Absolutely.